Hey, you're watching Delmarva Life. Hey, picture this. You've got your beach chairs, you've got your snacks, you've got your speakers, you've got your towels, you've got your cooler, you've got your cornhole. Now you need a place to be able to drag that to the beach. And let's be honest, most of us don't want to take 2 trips. We don't want to walk all the way from the beach back to our car, then back again. Now we have a solution here. We're talking about the E-Beach Wagon. I'm here with the founder and the creator. Thank you so much for having it. Beautiful day for the beach, right?
It is a beautiful day. I love it. I love it. Love when I'm not squinting from the sun.
Yes, yeah. I know. So we got all our stuff for the beach. I mean, this is amazing. I think in 20 years, people will be like, what do we do without the E-Beach Wagon? Because this is just such a creative and innovative idea.
Yeah, thank you very much. I mean, we built it out of necessity, right? Dragging all that stuff through the sand is a really tough thing to do. So we designed an easier way for you to do it.
Mm-hmm. And I have family and ourselves, we have those beach carts that have the thick tires that you're able to fit stuff, but let's be honest, it's a pain. First of all, tracking it through the sand. Sometimes there's steps, you have to like lift it up and kind of maneuver it and things like that. Mm-hmm. And the way that it's motorized and everything like that makes it so much easier.
Yeah, I mean, once you hit the sand, it's really hard to get through the sand, right? So we have low pressure balloon tires on the wagon that makes it glide over the sand really easily. And then it's motorized, so you can carry up to 300 pounds without any effort whatsoever. So carry whatever you want down to the beach and no more hassles.
Yeah. How did this idea start for you? This problem happened to you. You had a similar problem, right?
Yeah, so we beach in Cape May, New Jersey, and there's a beach, Higbee Beach, that has a 200-yard trail of sand to get to the beach from the parking lot. We started with our dog and was like pulling gears like, this is too much. Once we had a child, then the gear quadrupled. So we're like, that's it, I'm doing something about it. Started researching it on the market. There was one other wagon out there that was electric, but it was out of my price range. So I built my own. It was my first prototype. And then after talking to the wife, who was real good at marketing, she decided, hey, we didn't know about this in New Jersey and Delaware. So we decided, let's start the business.
Mm-hmm. Now, Mike, you're an engineer by trade, right?
Yeah.
So tell us some of the mechanical things of this. How does this thing work?
Sure. So here on the control panel, we have a on-off switch. This is your charging port. And this here is your USB charging port. So you can actually charge your phone while you're on the beach.
Oh, that's
And then here's your hand controls here. Uh-huh. You have a forward reverse switch and then your thumb throttle. And to operate it, you just press down the thumb throttle and then you walk with the wagon. It's as easy as that.
So you don't need like a special class or anything like that to know how to be able to, you just, can I try it?
You know, yeah,
can I try it?
Yeah, go for it. You don't even need a license.
Just push on the throttle.
Yeah, come over the side though, there you go. That's it.
And I like this handle. It's a nice grippy
it's for
handle.
Right-handers, yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, that is easy. That's really easy.
Yeah. And then once you get to the place that you want to be, you know, you can unload your gear, and then the wagon converts into like a table or a bench.
I'm amazed at all the stuff that this thing can fit.
Going to take off the chair rack. The chair rack is our #1 accessory.
So how many people can actually sit on this?
300 pounds worth.
300 pounds
Yeah,
worth.
so to take the railings off, you simply pull up, just like so. Put that down.
Whoops.
Pull it both up at the same time. Yep.
There we go.
There you go. And then James, after you.
All right. We have a seat here. Ah, this is nice.
Yeah, not bad.
It's comfortable.
Right? Yeah, and if you have small kids, you can put some food on here and they can eat right off of it.
You can have a picnic right here at the beach.
Absolutely.
And that's always the hardest part is bringing the chairs. You got to set the chairs up. You got to unfold it. I mean, this, you just pop and go.
Yeah, one other feature, just to show you real quick, which makes our wagon unique and why we have a patent on it, is the built-in pole holders. So we have 8 built-in pole holders in the frame.
Right.
It's really easy to set your umbrella up. You just drop that right through. Let's turn that wheel a little bit. And there you go. Your umbrella is already set up.
That is awesome. Now, Mike, how long does this go on a single charge?
You'll get up to 5 miles per charge depending on how much weight you're carrying and also what you're carrying it on. So you can go through sand, grass, gravel, you name it, any type of surface that this E-Beach Wagon can conquer.
Because let's be honest, summer's only 3 months of the year, right? For some of us, right? So that's cool that you're able to use it all year round. How about the speed? What's the top speed? Or I know you have a couple different modes,
top speed is about 4 miles an hour, so it's a variable speed throttle. It goes up to 4 miles an hour, so you can go as slow as you want or as fast as you want.
Or as fast as you want. That's awesome. Yeah. And how can people purchase this?
So you can go to our website, ebeachwagon.com. We have a lot of information there. You can give us a call. We do have options for you to pick up in our warehouse in Delaware. It's in Newcastle, so we're local, home of tax-free shopping, right? And we also have a lot of social media and YouTube videos that you can go check that out and check out a lot more features of the wagon that we didn't cover here today.
Oh man, that's incredible. Mike, thank you so much. I think this is really, truly going to be the invention of the summer, this summer and for summers to come, right?
Mike says whenever he brings his E-Beach wagon by the ocean and onto the sand, he continues to get compliments on it. It's something I had to try for myself.
So I'm here with Danielle. Danielle, you brought your family here to the beach. You have a lot of stuff here. How did you get it down to the beach?
I had to make 2 or 3 trips. Today it was 3, with the chairs, the cooler, all the toys.
And you said your place is a couple blocks away, right?
Yep.
So you were walking, you were bringing the stuff down, going back.
Yep.
Isn't that exhausting? Isn't that tiring?
It is. By the time I get here, I just want to sit.
Now, what if I told you could do all that all in one trip here with the E-Beach wagon?
That would be awesome.
So look at this. You got your cooler here, right? Just pop this guy in here. Got your bag with all your snacks. And you're ready to go.
That's awesome.
And this thing is motorized, so you don't have to
Oh, wow.
you don't have to put all the pressure. Here, try it. Just pull down on that throttle there.
Oh my goodness. That is awesome. It's
See how
fast.
easy that is, right?
Yeah, that's great. I want one.
I know, right? Now you don't have to go back and forth and back and forth. Just
Right.
one trip with the E-Beach wagon. So
right.
thank
That's
you
great.
so much. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Delmarva Life will be right back.